Hey, hi everyone. First of all, welcome to HR Topper Institutes. All the new members, welcome once again. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time today and congratulations that you are learning something new. So let's come to our topic today. Copy the file name. So I'll give you the example in a live session type. See, example, you have around 293 templates, format, documents, whatever it is, whether it is Word file, Excel file, folder, or it's a any kind of thing. Now you want to write the file name, mention this data in the Excel and want to keep a track. So what you will do? First, we have to create one Excel sheet. Let's say serial number, name of the file. Then what you will do? You will go to that, you will click here F2, copy, and then paste. Then you come here, F2, copy, and paste. This is what you will be doing for 293. Imagine there are 10,000 documents. Then what you will do? Will you spend half an hour, 1 hour, 10 hours? No. Can we do it in just 5 minutes or 1 minute? I can say 1 minute. Yes, it is possible. We do have a shortcut. So for that, let's see what we have to do. So understood what we are going to learn? If we want to copy the list of all the files that are there in any folder, you can copy paste immediately. What you have to do? So let's write it down. The step number one. Go to the folder where you want all the files. Control all. You have selected. Second is control all. Select the file. Third, control shift. Control shift. Right click. Control shift. Right click. Hold the button control shift and right click. Then an option will come copy as path. Then click here. Once you click, go to the Excel sheet and let's say this is an option. Control V. Finish. I'll copy it here. Control V. Can you see it has come automatically? Now, this is first step. Now, what will happen when it copy? You have remember the word copy as file path. Again, I'll show you. Select the files, control, shift, right click, copy as path. That means the path will also come. So that this is path. It is in my D drive, HR Topper library, final one, format, agreements. But these are common. We don't want that. So what we can do is we can copy this entire copy because it is common in every field, right? Then select it, replace. Let's replace the entire words as blank. Now in the replace, we'll keep it blank and replace all. Can you see? That has gone. Within a fraction of second, it is gone. Now what is the second common? Can you see DOC, docs, in the latest version? So we will copy this. Even if you don't want to copy, you can write it down. Replace dot docx. In this case, if it is XLS, that is Excel, it will be a different thing. Now dot docx and replace with blank. See, now everything is gone. Now it has come with a proper naming. So what we did after copy pasting, we have removed the common thing. That is and then it is the file name. That is doc or Excel, whatever it is. Now this has come. Now just write the serial number. How many files are there? 293. Let's say here it is 293. Here, easy. If you want to see one more, let's see I have one handbook. In this handbook, there are 54 files. Control A, okay, copy, control shift and right click. Can you see copy as path? Then go here. I'm just taking a new sheet to show you. New sheet and control V. Can you see it has come automatically? It has come automatically. Then we are going to remove the common, that is path. Control C, control H, that is, and control V and replace. Now the common thing has gone out. Now there is one more common, which is PDA or doc. So what you can do, control H, dot PDF, remove it, then dot doc, remove all. So whatever the source file, that is whether it is the PDF or whether it is a Word or Excel, you can remove it. How easy it is. Hope this knowledge has really helped you. Thank you so much.